What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over some news here for crypto.com. This is a sponsored video, guys. I do sponsor my channel. So we're just going to go over a little bit of the recent news and some of the things that you can do on the app here. So Lebron James, the king, and crypto.com established a multi-year partnership. So everybody knows LeBron, greatest basketball player of all time, arguably, but he has broken a lot of Michael Jordan's records. So hitting the hardwood, the LeBron James Family Foundation. In a press release on the crypto.com website published today, the exchange announced the latest partnership with the LJFF, which is the LeBron James Family Foundation, and detailed its approach. The two partners will take an educational approach in their collaborative work, honing in on educational and workforce development opportunities throughout Web3. So as many of you know, they recently bought the Staples Center. They have incredible partnerships with many sports brands, including the NBA, including Formula One racing, including soccer, and now including the biggest player in basketball, LeBron James, which is pretty cool, guys. So in his statement included in the press release, LeBron James stated that the blockchain technology is revolutionizing our economy, sports and entertainment, the art world, and how we engage with one another. I want to ensure that the communities like the one I come from are not left behind. So incredible to see top tier athletes working with crypto companies. And of course, this will give incredible recognition to crypto.com. In 2021, crypto.com has spent at least $400 million to land partnerships with the 76ers, Paris Saint-Germain, massive soccer team, guys, Montreal Canadiens, NHL, esports team Fnatic, Major League Baseball, guys, UFC, Formula One, Serie A, and the Twitch Rivals Tournament. So you can see, guys, they're basically in every single sport. We have the NHL, we have pro soccer, we have the NBA, Major League Baseball, even esports, guys, and Twitch, which is super exciting. The marketing is absolutely incredible with crypto.com, and we're just in the beginning stages, in my opinion. So we're gonna hop over to the Supercharger, guys. This is one of my favorite ways to earn crypto, and this is the main platform that I do my staking. I love to use the Supercharger, guys. Every single 45 days, it's a new coin. Right now, the estimated APY is basically 40% for our friend Luna. And how it works, guys, is you stake your crow for 45 days. And during that time, you receive a very high APY, in my opinion. Right now, almost 40% for Luna. After the 45 days ends, you claim your reward, and then there's a 45-day reward period, as you can see. So Supercharger is a simple, secure, and flexible rewards platform where users stake crow on crypto.com exchange to receive rewards on the hottest cryptos today. And they have literally the hottest cryptos, guys. As you can see here, we had Ethereum, we had HBAR, we had Axie Infinity, guys, we had SHIB, we had BCT, we had Engine. And check out these APY, guys. 28% for Axie, we had HBAR 37%, even Ethereum, guys, 38%, and right now we have Luna of 39%. So definitely recommend checking out the Supercharger if you're new to crypto.com. Incredible way to earn some free crypto. They also have Crypto Earn, another incredible feature on their platform here where you can earn incredible interest on staking your coins. We have Crow at 6%, many of your stable coins here at 12%, and we have coins, where's our friend Polygon, 12% on Polygon. That's one of my favorite coins to trade. So if you're looking to make some passive income, definitely recommend Crypto Earn. You can see 12% on Polkadot as well, guys. And of course, they are the world's fastest growing crypto app, and they have their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. Personally, I have the Indigo Green, just waiting for it to come in the mail so I can get 3% cash back, and it pays for my Spotify, my Netflix. I have airport lounge access. I do travel quite a bit, so that's quite nice as well, guys. Due to the fact that they do sponsor the channel, we're not allowed to get too much into the price analysis, but I have been accumulating some crow at these levels, as I do believe it's a steal. Of course, we can go lower, but that's why I always dollar cost average. But they do ask us not to get too much into the price analysis here. But I will say I have been accumulating with most of my crypto positions, including crow, guys. So that's basically it for this one, guys. Super excited about the partnership with LeBron James. And I think the growth and the expansion of crypto.com over the next 5 to 10 years is going to be incredible. Not financial advice, of course. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. And if you're new to crypto.com and you'd like to sign up, make sure to use my referrals in the top of the comments, and you receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through the referral. All right, guys, that's it for this one. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.